Yeah, people, you know, say real border cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingi. People, me say, no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. So, me I say, a whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people no just check in with Naya Bingi. Remember me telling you, Jamrock Radio.
Yes, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel again. It's me I deal with. I hope say everybody in the best of themselves, everybody in the best of health. You and your family and everybody in the community. You see it? Yeah man, once I give thanks for the return. For all of those who just are tuning in same way too, we want to say welcome and click the subscription icon. You see it? So we can grow the channel and we can reach to more people when we drop the videos. You see it? So I kind of just want all a little reasoning on something where I see come across my eyeball today. You see it? So yeah man, so I watch a video today as usual. Sometimes I try to say I want to stay away from the liquor. You understand? Subject yeah, and them kind of thing, yeah. But more and more I see it say it a go too far differently still. And what I talk about are the situation with Ground God. You see it on the Colaz TV. And it's not even so much with Colaz and Ground God, you know, as much as it is with a set of man where they out here claim say them a defend Colaz honor. You see it? And me no know if what them claim say them a do, if them really a defend Colaz honor or them just a try to use Colaz name as a surfboard. You understand? If you just ride some wave and surf with the man name across the internet with be a corruption trail behind it and them kind of sitting there. You see it? Because what me really see, you know, me really see people now are disguise them bad mind, are disguise them like a treacherous, comooching ways under the guise of defending Colaz honor. Yeah, and that I want to talk about today. You see, the video what I see this morning, it kind of disturbing still. And it more telling you now differently still. Because I see it say, some people, bad mind will start to become apparent. People start to see through the man them. People start to look through and see the item for exactly what the item is. You see it? People can just look through and see it say, you understand? Somehow no differently still what claim say on a vlogger or on a content creator. The only reason why you know out here do content creating and or vlogging or whatever you want to call yourself. One simple reason. I'm afraid of police. That's it. I'm just afraid of police. Yeah. I'm afraid for police can drape you up and carry you, go lock you up in a jail. Cause at the same kind of ratty, crafty, crab mind somehow now have I bring pan the internet. You understand? And that me see somehow now with people. You what go on, you know. Me play one little excerpt from one of Ground God videos, seen? And the item can take the time out and go over Ground God channel and watch the full video. Seen? And watch the full video without no kind of preconceived notion in our head. See? Just watch a video with a open mind. And basically that I want from the item right here now, same way too. We are going to play the little excerpt here. I want the item to listen it or watch it with an open mind, and then we come back and have a little discussion.
Yeah, people, if uno know me and me no know uno. I say uno just do me up and I do me so something. You don't even business if me want pregnant or not. And no matter how no talk, ground God not stress. And ground God not putting up and practice. Because from this whole thing go down. Ground God not reaching hospital. Every time I go check up, me alright. Pressure alright, everything alright for sure you. So if me did I put up and practice and I put up so and I put some sitting for me and so me that reaching hospital and admit and stuff and people then I run carry things. And me and my family them not you no see me so. And me not show up my family them on camera. So nobody will come to no see me. If never did I help me or me that not eat. Or me that alright and I worry myself. Everybody did help me. Thank God for Colaz because Colaz help me a lot. Me not disrespect him. Me and Colaz not have anything. Me have Colaz number right now. We no black me no black him. If he come here, me see motor road, me call to him and so me can't anywhere see him where me choose not to, me just relax. So when no talk because no do in a community, no found even no Portland. People not depend that. No two not go discriminate me and I go talk some things me I go come out and say this, that and this. No. Me just say me couldn't know say you no fit up fool in the show na go. Wanna run with and I go on with. Because I got a ball land. Nobody could have just run, gone fill and so gone dig house upon. The parish council do come down pan land already. Now something so me not figure out can't tell no my business and talk all where I go on and everything. Because I know uno name God. And I uno blow breath in me, no God blow breath in me and I may praise and worship. Because no found a God church and no heart no clean. That we don't know. Because if me got church and no for time me see people got church, if they wear that purple frock they got church this Sunday. By the next Sunday they wear I see him church sister them in a church about so I church that a frat day we come last week. Him have to wear back this week. And no close your worship of God. And from your heart clean and from your decide say I got church and yes, you make up your mind. You can't wear that frock you ride 3 months. You fight alone you have. From your heart clean and you know bad mind and you know grudgeful. You know what your people want put on man. You make them wear what they want wear. So we are doing like a thing, we not happy for we, God me say and me pray and God make we reach till we reach a digging stage. Now we steal them by them are tie up figure leveling in land now. And now go pass all upon negativity. Look more people they are have land cycle.
So yes, massive. Yeah man, give thanks for sticking around. You see it? So now, tell me now, and be honest with me differently still. When you listen to this little clip where me take from the data video, be totally honest with the eye themselves and be totally honest with I man differently still. The eye them hear any kind of ungrateful behavior or see any kind of ungrateful behavior display in other video. The eye them hear any kind of bad mind rhetoric display in other video. The eye them hear any kind of disrespect towards Colaz Smith or towards any one of Colaz Smith team member them or anything in other video clip here differently. Well, me da listen the clip and me go watch the video several times from morning, see? And Me not see no kind of bad mind, disrespectful, ungrateful. None of them kind of behavior that me not see display in this clip here. What me see in this is a daughter sincerely asks for people to leave her alone. This daughter here show resilience. This daughter here show genuine hunger for want for progress. See? This daughter asks people to just leave her alone in a one sincere, humble manner. Me not see no kind of boasting of this. Me not see no disrespect displaying of this. Me not see no ungrateful tendency displaying of this. So when me see a man this morning now put out a video where him take that same video clip here and chop up it and interject in between every now and again and attack a bunch of fart, literally. If you no go over there and listen to him video, him literally attack a bunch of fart in him video. See, you know have to take my words for it that him literally attack in a video. A bunch of fart. See, where the man has said the daughter display ungrateful behavior. See, me no know how them money are differently still, how them just come so differently still, how no operate them kind of way are different. How you feel good in yourself, knowing say you spend all our time and all our effort trying to tear down a woman, trying to belittle a girl, tear her down. Me mean the man them join up, group, form alliance to tear down one woman and claim say them a defend a next man honor. See, look pan it, you know. We all give our opinion pan the situation and we give our opinion pan ground God's action. See? But where the line draw between being opinionated and being downright abusive. Because guess what me know? Me see enough of the man them attack how Nick abuse ground God and a controller and this and that. Tell me where you see them vlogger where come out here so now where claim say them a defend Colaz Smith Anna. If them a do anything different from what them a claim say Nick a deal with. Them thing you know, it coming like I say, it pass with part. We just want to straighten out ground God. To which part we really want to see her flatten out. And not straighten her out, we want to flatten her out. You see it? That means that she must get tear down right down to the ground. She don't have no progression. So now the daughter try to set up a place for herself and her youth them. How on earth them a man here can see such a good thing they happen for the daughter and flip it and make it seem like I say something bad. You know, sister, them youth here differently still. I just bad mind them a display under the guise of defending Colaz Smith. Cause me then like to ask Colaz this differently still. Colaz, you really want a bunch of man a defend you from one girl. Like seriously, we need to ask a question. See, cause this thing, you know, it really gone too far, you know, man. The man might take it to way too far differently still. It's almost like the man them no want to see the girl progress in a no sense. Because she disrespect Colaz Smith according to them. See? Not because she disrespect any one of them where you see out here so I claim say them a defend Colaz Smith and I know. Not because she disrespect not one single one of them. But the man them just dip on a campaign of tearing down this girl. The man them form alliance and dip on a campaign, like serious campaign, to tear down the girl. Like every day, the man them put out videos where them a tell blatant lie on the girl. Like every single day, the man them put out videos where them a tell lie on the girl. And then claim say them a defend Colaz Smith Anna. Like Colaz Smith want a bunch of man to defend him from one girl. See? You see them people what we see out here start talk about them love Colaz Smith and them a defend Colaz Smith and Colaz Smith are them boss and this and that. People, let me tell you now a secret. None of them no rate Colaz Smith. A lie them a tell. You know what they love? They love the algorithm. You see the algorithm? When time you mention anything about Colaz Smith, the algorithm propel your video. Because Colaz Smith already set the thing there on the internet. See? So that's why you find say a group of them people around here, so a manufacture chaos under the guise of defending Colaz Smith name. Because I use them one use the youth name to drive the algorithm. Nothing a genuine about what them a do. See? Because it reached to a point where I bring down them a try bring down, you know. I don't know, defend them a defend anymore. I don't know, straighten them a try straighten up Ground God so next time Ground God can make a better move or she can learn from this and move forward. Them no want that. Them literally want to see her to disappear. And guess what? Remember, Ground God no do none of them anything. None of them personally. None of us. Let me include myself tonight. Ground God no do none of us anything on one personal level. So I don't understand how some man just take it on one personal campaign to go tear down this girl, you know, and want to make it look like I say anybody who agree with them for go on this tear down campaign. You can't represent Brand Jamaica or you can't represent the Colaz Smith fraternity. Like, seriously, Virgin, and like, what the them a deal with? Like, yo, you see, if you're over discipline somebody, let's say you have your child and you discipline your child. You see, if you're over discipline that child, it starts to venture into the space of being abusive. See? And if you come out here so and claim like I say, yo, you know, show up Ground God and you know, burn to fire so she can straighten up herself. See? How much more fire we have to burn upon her if she get the message? Like seriously, how much more fire we have to burn upon her for her to get the message? See? Me see the man them come out one at a time and when time the argument did hot. See? People start to draw a line. Me hear them a say, over the side there, meaning over ground God them side, at the devil side. And over the side there, meaning over the side where a different colors or go with the color cement vibration. You find say the man them when I say over the side there devil side and over the side there God side. See? But when me check it, brethren, you see the people them who claim say they end up on the God side. Just read the comments where them put out. The kind of hate-filled comments where them people are put out. See? Just look on the heap of lies where them youth here who claim say them are different colors are put out pan ground God. Every day one next lie come out. And the lie them start to become true. Because people believe in them and people them too gullible. And once not so gullible, people just go start to sell on be all. I don't know if you just grab it up and digest it and you understand? On a belly full of hate. I can't believe say you have some grown men just get up every day and just dip on one serious campaign where all them want to do are to tear down one girl. What kind of man them ya? The man them not like see progress and them not like see when people rise above any kind of situation or problem. Them want to see people down in a problem and when people down, then still a stomp and still a kick. The daughter says she get a piece of land and she a go build up her place and then kind of sit. What kind of bad vibes someone can just spin this a situation here into which party start to become now like the girl getting a piece of land or you understand? It's almost like it near because it now becomes a negative thing. How that now become a negative thing from the people them who claim say them a preach righteousness and end up on the righteous side. Wanna answer that question. How comes the daughter get a piece of land and she want to build a house for her and her pitney them? How comes that now become a negative? See? The daughter put out a video and she plead to the eye them because she attack to you know. She plead to the eye them say if you leave her area now and just make she get a chance to just progress and just deal with her thing. Still a hold on pan the girl blouse and I pull her back. As a bunch of man. Make her get a fight. One bunch of man. Grown men. See? The man them decides to then go form alliance to tear down the girl. And people are watching and a laugh and people just take it for joke. See, if these are things where the righteous do different, still let me a space with the sinner them. See, if these are things where the righteous people do, may I beg enough to leave me a space amongst the sinners. Because if righteous people can be so treacherous, bad mind, envious, lie, me no want for them amongst the item. John was there, me I tell you, I'm disappointed with how the YouTube man them a flex. The man them in our community, what claim say them a content creator. The man them worse than the woman them. Worse than the female them. If I went one bunch of women went out there, so I say them a cuss off ground God for different colors. If ground God when continue I say disrespectful things about colors. It would have bad and not so bad. But may I tell you, say, every single day, you have one bunch of men and make up one bunch of stories I tell lie on the girl. Only for pull her down because they say them out here different color Smith Anna. See, una lied. You see, if you did rate color Smith, you wouldn't attach all of them little low-level drama to Color Smith name. Because Color Smith way bigger than this. I'm sure say Color Smith now approve of the eye them claim say out here defending Anna and a tear down one girl. I'm sure say him not approve of it. See? And you say if you did rate Color Smith, you would not do them kind of things there. Because watch ya, me know say Color Smith reach out to all of the item, you know. Just like how Color Smith reach out to me. And he said to me, say, him want you guys to, you understand? Ease off of the ground God videos and them kind of thing there. And I say, all right, General, your request noted. See? I'm easy off it. And I see a bunch of man dep on it. And guess what? You see what them man here do? And nothing like that me wanna do. Me never tear down any way if you say, alright, me I spew out no kind of hate towards ground God. Me always I say, ground God is a girl where she need help and me think say she fi continue to get the help and them kind of things. Me get my little fair share of backlash for them kind of things. But me not care. See, when it come on to the hate towards somebody wanna do me nothing on one personal level, me draw the line the bridge. See, and me not rate no man to the point where it a gonna make me hate one woman who never do me anything. See? But how them money they move, me I say, the man them have this unforgiving thing about them. This hate where them are push towards the girl. And in every other line in them vlogs, they contradict themselves. In every other line, they contradict themselves. Because guess what? Them attack so much. They not get no time to listen to themselves. Because they must spew off 100 words per minute. So in every other line, one contradiction did it. They must say love, then say hate in the next part. They must say they not bring down, then they say she forget demolish in the next part. You understand the levels? And if you calm down on yourself, man, and stop run down these people. You understand? Gimmickry and you understand? Because none of it not real. The people them where they out here so are jumping on the comment section and a chat all kind of disrespectful things. You see the next time anything come out and uno find on yourself in a this sticky situation, and them same one go come round and come blast on. And watch and see. The same mouth was a boo, I it as a ray. And somehow no get carried away with the likes, cause a likes on no love. Uno no love truth. Uno what you claim say una defend Colaz Smith. I'm sure Colaz Smith no want a bunch of man to defend him against one woman. Uno out here so say una defend Colaz Smith and a tear down somebody else. Uno feel low off for the campaign here now, man. Allow the girl make the girl progress, man. You understand? Just like how uno want to progress in a Fiona life. And allow the girl make the girl progress, man. You see, uno want to get help in a Fiona life. Me here uno want to beg help. But yet when time he come on to ground God to get help, he come like that is a problem, see and wait up. A bad mind on a bad mind. Uno no love Colaz. A the algorithm what Colaz name bring. A that uno love. Understand? People go sit through uno, man. Cause uno, all uno do is just pure hate and a try to bring unnecessary division and unnecessary hate. How you can get up and hate somebody so much that you can feel comfortable to get up and tell lie on a person every single day? Every single day you can just get up and just make up lie on one person. And you and a person never have anything for one personal level. But you feel comfortable to do all of them kind of things. A bad mind on a bad mind. Me feel like I say a full time for will just lower for the girl make the girl progress. You understand? Cause of that with someone who don't want to see the girl progress. If you don't want to see the girl channel get destroyed and nobody now watch our videos them, I see him thing with them come out here glouting. Cause me hear I talk how she lose subscription and this and that. Uno gloat in a destruction. Uno find a joy in a people downfall. What kind of people uno be? If say uno grown men in this place here. A bad mind on a bad mind. People uno go and bless up on yourself, you see it, and hope say all of the ones them who see the video, we just click the like button so we can get the video for float up and get more suggestions so it can reach more people. You see it? So we just cut off the little snake head there. You see it? The head of the snake where they spread bad mind around it. Yeah man, that will come for cramp and paralyze, man. You see it? Yeah man, so people no go and stay blessed and take care of themselves, take care of them family. Until the next video. Yeah man, Rastafari.